Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. This is going to be a real quick here tonight. We're going to use ChatGPT4o to write the Python code to calculate the reciprocal of a number. Now, of course, as you know from your high school math, a reciprocal is where you take the number 1 and divide it by the number you want to get the reciprocal of. So if you're looking for the reciprocal of the number 7, you would divide 1 by 7. Okay, so let's come back over here now. And you can see over here, this is 4o as in omni. And I said, how do I calculate reciprocals in Python? It says, first allow me to clarify the goal. Do you wish to calculate the reciprocal, the multiplicative inverse of a number using Python? Would you like a detailed explanation of the steps? No. Or would you prefer a direct example of the code? Just the code, please, okay? Read aloud. What's this? Change model. That's interesting. Okay, interesting, okay? Understood. Let's proceed with a simple example. To calculate the reciprocal of a number in Python, you divide the number by 1. So all it does, it creates a function which will go past the number to, okay? And it checks for division by 0 and it divides by the number itself. Pretty doggone simple code, isn't it, if I must say myself. Okay, so as you would expect, I created a new project in Anaconda. I loaded NumPy and pandas, and that is all. Okay. Now here you can see our example going on. We're going to look at number 7. Okay. Don't blink or you'll miss this one. All right. The code really is embarrassing. This really is embarrassing simple code. Okay. And it's loading the Python extensions. Whenever you first start up Anaconda, it does take a couple seconds to actually load the environment. So let's just reactivate into terminals. There you have the reciprocal of 7 is 0.14285714285714285. Now we could probably get the period 142 on a slide rule. Okay.